Starting around 17 walk 2024 Chilliz truly is exchanging at $0.2400 in term of its oyster rate with a value change of 1.24% in fundamentally most recent 60 minutes, or so they in a real sense thought. CHZ in a real sense has an in every way that really matters complete market cap of $1,244,800,618 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $108,139,599, which generally is very critical. This makes Chilliz CHZ certainly positioning at 85 in the cryptographic money market, beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. In the event that you certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what by and large is the Chilliz cost expectation end of 2024, what will Chilliz generally be worth in 2024 amazingly? Is Chilliz an especially wise venture or genuinely worth purchasing in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? Will CHZ cost in every practical sense outperform its record-breaking high, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking? These really are our Chilliz cost expectations for CHZ's future in an unpretentious manner. Chilliz CHZ value expectation 2024 as per the Chilliz estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the CHZ cost most certainly is supposed to in every way that really matters cross a buy and large normal value level of $971. The normal extremely least value worth of Chilliz toward the finish of the exceptionally current year ought to sort of be $1913, showing the way in which CHZ in a real sense has an especially all-out market cap of $1,244,800,618 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $108,139,599, or so they truly thought. Besides, CHZ can especially arrive at an in every practical sense greatest value level of $1,274, which all things considered is very huge. CHZ value estimate walk 2024. The Chilliz gauge for walk 2024 expects that the CHZ may truly arrive at a for the most part greatest worth of $2,570 with a fundamentally least cost of around $23.95. Discussing the kind of typical value CHZ can especially stretch around $1.1526 for spring in an unobtrusive manner. CHZ value gauge April 2024. The Chilliz estimate for April 2024 expects that the CHZ may truly arrive at a greatest worth of $646, with a really least cost of around $0.2529, which sort of is genuinely critical. Discussing the very normal value CHZ can basically stretch around $0.2587 for April, or so they basically thought. Chilliz CHZ value expectation May 2024. The cost for Chilliz in May 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $561 and $710 in an unpretentious manner, while the typical exchanging cost ought to generally be around $619 in a sort of significant manner. Chilliz value estimate June 2024. The extremely normal cost of Chilliz CHZ could essentially go to $651 toward the finish of June 2024, which explicitly is very critical. CHZ could really be exchanging around an extremely greatest worth of $1,774 with the base expected cost of $1.5093. Sort of additional appearance how Chilliz value estimate June 2024. The exceptionally normal cost of Chilliz CHZ could commonly go to $651 toward the finish of June 2024, which especially is genuinely huge. Chilliz value figure July 2024. In July 2024, the cost of Chilliz basically is supposed to be at around a truly least of $1.1643, demonstrating the way that discussing the for the most part normal value CHZ can in a real sense stretch around $1.2526 for spring, which fundamentally is very huge. Chilliz cost can sort of arrive at a fundamentally limit of $0.2840 with a very normal cost of $0.701 in USD. Exceptionally further appearance how CHZ value conjecture April 2024. The Chilliz estimate for April 2024 expects that the CHZ might arrive at an extremely greatest worth of $1646 with a kind of least cost of around $0.5029, which generally is very huge. Chilliz value estimate August 2024. In August 2024, the in every way that really matters greatest cost for Chilliz could especially stretch around $9.25 in an extremely significant manner. Besides, the minimum cost of CHZ in August 2024 basically is $0.11679 with a typical cost of $0.11752, exhibiting that also CHZ can really arrive at a genuinely most extreme value level of $1.274, which sort of is very huge. Chiliz value figure September 2024. The truly normal cost of Chiliz CHZ could in a real sense go to $1.1822 toward the finish of September 2024 in a truly significant manner. CHZ could be exchanging around a most extreme worth of $13 with the fundamentally least expected cost of $0.749 in an unpretentious manner. Chiliz CHZ value expectation October 2024. The cost for Chiliz in October 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $786 and $4 amazingly. While the fundamentally normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around 0.1858, which most certainly demonstrates the way that CHZ could really be exchanging around a by and large greatest worth of $0.20774 with the very least expected cost of $0.25093, kind of additional appearance how Chiliz value figure June 2024 the genuinely normal cost of Chiliz CHZ could commonly go to $1.651 toward the finish of June 2024 in a quite huge manner. Chiliz value estimate November 2024. In November 2024, the cost of Chiliz sort of is supposed to, in every practical sense, be at around an especially least of $0.1875, showing how Chiliz value figure July 2024. In July 2024, the cost of Chiliz by and large is supposed to, in every way that really matters, be at around and in every practical sense, least of $1.2043, demonstrating the way that discussing the truly normal value CHZ can generally stretch around $0.25826 for spring in an especially enormous manner. Chiliz cost can truly arrive at an in every practical sense limit of $1.197, with the sort of typical cost of $10.33 in USD, which truly is genuinely critical. Chiliz value expectation December 2024. The cost of Chiliz generally is certainly anticipated to reach at a truly least worth of $9.13 in December 2024, showing the way that Chiliz cost can explicitly arrive at a genuinely limit of $1.2097 with the typical cost of $9.33 in USD in a very significant way. The CHZ cost could basically arrive at an extremely greatest worth of $0.2274 with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $9.71 all through 2024, so CHZ could basically be exchanging around a genuinely greatest worth of $13 with the in every practical sense least expected cost of $0.2749, which basically is very critical. Chiliz genuinely passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Chiliz's cost explicitly has shown a genuinely decent increment of 4.01% as of now in an extremely huge manner. Chiliz most certainly is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with extremely other crypto coins, showing that besides CHZ can by and large arrive at an especially greatest value level of $1.2